Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we have to talk about something that's very important because it's in regards to credit. That $10,000 primary trade line. Well, there's a change, and I'm talking about Intrigue Fine Jewelry. They're the ones that took over the AG Jewelers accounts. So, if you're a member, you need to listen up because there have been some changes, and I'm going to talk about it in this video, so pay attention. And welcome to Foci Optics. Check. Stop struggling now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're once again here on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. So please share the videos because you never know who you're going to be able to help. And please notice our members, the channel members, thank you so much. You'll see a few here. And how do you become a member? You hit the join button over here on the right hand side. And that's how you become a member of the channel. And you can join me on live streams. Wednesday night chat is only open to members, and members receive special videos and messages under the community tab as well. So without further ado, let's get into this $10,000 primary trade line change. It's significant change because, first of all, this is about IntrigueFineJewelry.com. First of all, they took over the AG Jewelers. So if you paid for AG Jewelers, this is going to be important for you. If you paid for the $149.99 membership with Intrigue Fine Jewelry, this is going to be important for you as well. Everyone else, this is going to be important for you if you want to buy jewelry. Now, let's get into the first change. You will notice here, there is an enroll now, but there is no longer an enrollment fee. For everybody that paid a membership fee, you can now buy jewelry with Intrigue Fine Jeweler, whether it's online or in the store, 20% down, and you can buy up to $10,000. There is a significant change. You will have to do a hard inquiry. They do a hard inquiry now. No longer soft inquiry. It's a full-fledged hard inquiry. Now, they may be a little more lenient than others, but there is going to be a hard inquiry now. And everybody who made a membership payment, you now get 20% down. The reason why that is significant is because if you still want to buy jewelry from Intrigue Fine Jewelers and you did not pay the membership fee, then you will have to put down, like everybody else who comes over to IntrigueFineJewelry.com, 30% down. That's the differences. If you were a member of AG, because Intrigue apparently bought their accounts, or Intrigue, then you do 20% down payment, hard inquiry. If you did not have a membership, then everybody else, they have started the new program, is 30% down, hard inquiry, and then you make your monthly payments, and it reports to all three credit bureaus as an installment trade line. I'm going to show you real quick the differences because this is the first thing that comes up. You will have to email them if you're a member, all right? Because here's the rules. It's that simple. Here's the credit application. And number two, you will pay only the 30% of the purchase price today. Number three, after you submit the payment, you can log into your account and begin the e-signature process to complete your credit application. All right? That's everybody who does not have a membership. So anyone new that sees this video, you're going to have to put 30% down. Now, the only thing I do not know is if you paid the membership, I don't know how this would affect this online application because clearly it says 30%. So that would mean I would suggest contacting them via email at info@intriguefindjewelry.com. That's what I would recommend. So hopefully that makes it nice and easy before you doing anything. If you've already bought a membership, then you should go and send an email to info@intriguefindjewelry.com for everybody on podcast. This is a short and sweet update. I just wanted to let you guys know because there may be people that have bought a membership and they're sitting there going, you know what, I don't want to buy anything, and you still may not, but at least now you know that you have to put down 20%, not 30%. So you make sure if you ever decide to buy anything that you let them know that you have a membership and you paid for it. Otherwise, they're going to be looking at requesting 30% down from you. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Any other type of helpful credit information, it's going to be down below in the description. So a lot of you by now have heard of Tomo Credit, Grow Credit, Extra Credit, Credit Strong, Self Lender. They're all down below. I'll even have some videos on where you guys can do some soft inquiry credit with Victoria's Secret. Check out those videos. A link to the videos will be down below in the description. And if there's anything else that I've left off, I'll add it to the description that can help you with your credit and improve your credit. And keep in mind, there's other things going on with credit. It's getting stricter because of the economy. So this is why things change with credit when the economy starts dipping, going down. So just wanted to say that real quick. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And that's why you have to stay vigilant, even with your credit, because they're going to raise your interest rates based on what the Federal Reserve does when they hike their rates. So the better credit would be to reduce your debt immediately. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.